Ankle breaker! Pumasok. Kapag papasok ka... What kind of monster was that, brother? Hey, what's up, fellow comrade Filipinos? It's your boy, Crazy Filipino. Today is my first video on the channel. The name of the game is Dark Berserker, which is kind of weird. So what kind of monster is this? Like pursuing darkness. So number further, let's go play. So we have a variety of level or select places. Like okay, there are 3 places. So I would rather pick this hospital. Looks illuminating. So let's go. Oh, there's a tutorial? Like, we need to find a flashlight? Dude, like, freak, parang di Boy Scout yung character natin, sir. Escape or hide from danger when the lights go out. Wow. And then, darkness is dangerous. Keep the flashlight on the dark, survive, and find a way to escape before the battery runs out. Okay. I think let's prioritize the flashlight. Like, dang, what happened to us, bro? Naniningil lang ako ng utang. Kinidap na ako. Naniningil lang po ako ng utang. Ba't ang sakit ng puwet ko? Okay, we can open doors just like pressing it. There's a lot of stuff in here, like mental hospital to eh. Let's go, let's find the flashlight. Just prioritize the flashlight, guys. Alam mo na tayong flashlight, di Boy Scout tong character natin eh. Palagi naiiwan yung gamit. There's a number on the paper. May number? 7. Ano to? Tatayan natin sa loto. Combination number ba to? Oh shit. The key is locked.
What?
Okay. Let's find some. Oh freak! Something's wrong with the light. Wala pa nga, takot na ako kagad. I'm not gonna scared. Why am I gonna scared? I'm a man, bro. I'm a man. Oh shit. Oh freaking nuts, why it's so dark in here? I can't even see anything. Shit. We need to hide, what the How did I die? I didn't even see him. 1 down, 3 to go. Freak! We need to find some keys. There's a locked door there. Tara, need natin key. Susi sa buhay mo. Oh, there's the key. Dapat hindi tayo magpanic. Like, there's a key. Hoy, putik na yan, di nagamit yung susi. Para saan yung susi? Display? Oh my goodness, di ko nakita yung monster. Like, it's a loud stomp noise. Parang naka-heels siya. Parang siyang babae. Okay, let's... Oh my Lord Jesus, help me. I don't wanna die. Open the door, please. Open the door, please. I don't want to get trapped in here. Oh shit, I hear him. I don't know what to do. Please. I think I'm gonna use my technique. Sorry, Mr. Corey X Kenshin. I'm gonna use your technique. The ankle breaker! What kind of monster was that? A hot chick? I'm not afraid anymore. Oh, she's gonna stun us. Okay. Visit niya. Di ko alam kung anong gagawin eh. Paano tayo makakatakbo? Ang bilis niya tumakbo. Once nakita ka niya, habulin ka niya sa parang pakala lang eh. 150. 150 kuya. I don't want your 150. I couldn't even find anything. What kind of monster was that? Tain na yan, umiikot lang ako dito eh. Paikot-ikot lang. Hindi ko alam kung saan pupunta eh. Where can I... Oh no. Here we go again. And I'm trapped. I'm trapped, guys. I don't know. Please don't go here. Please don't go in here. Please. Oh shoot. Please. Don't. Please. I have 1 bar. But ang tang... Uy, yes. I survived. Yes, I survived. Damn. That was close, guys. Damn, I need to find batteries, guys. Kapag dumilim na, guys, patay na ako. Wala akong magagawa eh. 1 bar na lang yung battery ko. I'm dead. I need a... Oh my days. 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 Please. Please, flashlight. Please, flashlight. Huwag kang sumabay. Flashlight. I need you to stay put. Tagal. Putik na meral ko yan. I can hear a loud stomp. Loud stomp, bro. Please. Yes. We survived again. And yet, couldn't even find a single battery. I need to find batteries. Quick. Pero guys, light is flickering na naman. I don't know what to do. Need batteries. I think I'm done. I'm done. Like, GG. I think it's GG. Uh-oh, I'm dead. Totally, I'm dead. I'm dead! Mamma mia. Give me some battery. Mamma mia. Give me some battery. Now. Ano ba naman, game? Hindi mo na ako bibigyan ng battery. Nire-regla na nga ako, hindi mo pa ako binibigyan ng battery. All I can see is blood. I'm dead. I'm dead. Totally dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. What am I gonna do? Huh? What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Walang battery. Visit na yan. Daming battery dito. Pwede ka naman bumili eh. Let's play it again. I want to beat her ass. That's not how you walk. Pang Miss Universe yung lakad niya eh. Ayun, may battery na. Oh! Why is the light flickering? Hindi. Malapit tayo na putulan ng ano eh. Kuryente. Hindi na kasi tayo nakapagbayad. Hindi tayo nakapagpaningil ng utang. Yung nakuha natin, tinira tayo sa puwet. I can feel it na matatalo ko to, guys. Guys, I can feel it. Oh, full charge battery. Ay, full charge. Full battery na ako. There's no way. I need to run. What? Did I just scream? Actually, I'm not gay. What? Power back is already on. Hala, sino nag-off nun? Uy, I found an access card. Para saan to? Access card. Madam. Madam, you are not here, baby. Huwag dito. Huwag kang pumasok dito. Bawal bata dito. Huwag kang pumasok. Huwag kang pumasok. Kapag papasok ka, please.
Bye, have a great time.
Oh my goodness. What kind of monster was that? Brother. Like, honestly guys, I'm gonna end this video. Damn, I don't know what to do. I think next time I can beat the game, so like I need to do some research or something just like that, or comment down below if you want to help me. Gusto niyo lang tumulong, like no need ko na ng research. Yan lang mga my fellow Filipino comrade. Before I leave, like hit the like and subscribe. So see you next time, my brothers and sisters.